Hello friends, in order to obtain the optimum performance of main and auxiliary engines, it becomes very important to give utmost attention and care towards the fuel valves installed on the cylinder head. So for reliable results, the fuel injectors on the ME engines must be removed and tested between every 6000 to 8000 running hours. In this video, I'll demonstrate you the step-by-step procedures to replace a fuel valve on an ME engine. So let's get started. Carry out all the safety precautions as instructed in the manual. First, you need to dismantle the high pressure pipes on the fuel valves. For this, first unscrew the union nut on the fuel valve. Clear the union nut of the union nipple. Then unscrew the union nipple. Perform the same sequence on the fuel pump side. Once the union nipple is unscrewed, lift the high pressure pipe ends clear of the fuel valve and the fuel pump. In order to protect the contact surfaces, always cover both the ends of the high pressure pipe. Also clean and cover the pockets on the fuel pump booster side to prevent an ingress of foreign particles. Dismantle the union joint on the fuel oil return line. Then unscrew the nuts and remove the tubular spacers. Using a special fuel valve extractor tool, take out the fuel valve from the cylinder head. In order to obtain reliable results during testing of the fuel valves, the fuel valve removed from the engine must be dismantled, cleaned, inspected and reassembled before performing any test on the valve. Friends, I'll be coming up with a video on a detailed description about the overhauling and testing procedures of the ME engine slide type fuel valve. All you have to do is to hit the like button and subscribe my channel to be a better engineer. Before mounting back the overall fuel valve, it is very important to thoroughly clean the valve bore in the cylinder cover. For this, grind the seating surface with a grinding mandrel using a grinding compound carborundum 200. Carefully clean the bore and seating with clean diesel oil and check for any damages at the seating surface. If required, recondition the seating using appropriate cutter. Always mount new O-rings on the fuel valve. Also lubricate the valve with molybdenum disulfate. Do clean the valve bore of any deposits and again inspect for clear passages. Mount the valve in position and then mount the tubular spacers and nuts. Friends, tighten the nuts until the tubular spacer spring housing plate is in line with the outer body. Carefully inspect the high pressure pipes tapered contact surfaces at both the ends. Recondition if required using the miller provided on the toolboard. Friends, always do clean the passages inside the union nipple. For this, follow the steps shown in the video. It is also very important to adjust the height of the union nut in order to achieve positive sealing between the tapered contact surfaces. Once both the high pressure pipe ends are overhauled, mount the pipe between the fuel valve and the fuel oil pressure booster. Tighten the union nipple and then the union nut to the torques stated in the manual. Mount back the fuel valve return line. Open the fuel oil inlet valve and check for leakages. Friends, the replaced fuel valve needs to be tested for injection on the MOP. This is to confirm all is in order. I'll be coming up with a separate video detailing the procedures for same. The fuel valves are now ready to be operated for next 6000 to 8000 running hours of main engine. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you all safe seas and healthy stay on board. Thank you.